aqua runners. Medyo naiya by mga aqua runners. Okay. So we also have Night Run Club. Running Club. Night Running Club. Yeah. We also have, syempre, if we have the running club, we also have the Night Running Community. Alright, good morning guys. We also have GTRC. Well, General Trias Run Club. Hello. And we also have La Cochera, of course. La Cochera girls. Wearing blue kanina. Hello po. Good morning. And we also have, of course, RWP. I saw someone here. RWP Cavite. Hello, good morning. We also have Walk and Run Maragondon. I forgot na yan.
Yes!
Hello. Magandang umaga. And we also have Maragondon Run Club. Hello po. Good morning. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, on this side. 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Open gate. 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 10.
Okay. Sorry.
Wow, may nag-vlog. Hi, vlog! Follow niyo siya sa YouTube. Smile! Thank you po. Thank you, Team Warm. And, yeah.
Hey,
Are you
let's
guys
go.
going to join bot 4-1 po kayo ngayon? Walk
Walking,
run na Maragon.
walking lang tayo.
Oh, kakabali niyo na po ng 42! Congratulations po sa ating mga marathoners po naman natin! Grabe, such an honor for you guys, joining us this morning.
Sali ka doon, sali ka.
Ayan, si Justin, smile!
Ano lang? Ano na ako?
Ako ba?
Okay.
4, 3, 2, 1, let's go, team!
Let's go.
Don't forget to tag us on our Facebook
Wait lang.
Instagram.
Maglalakad lang kami. Hindi kayang tumakbo. Tara, let's go, let's go. Start. Start mga pilay.
Recovery walk. $1K.
1K.
1K.
Pilay pa rin, 1K. Pilay pa rin. 2K. 5 na lang. Picturean din. Almost 3K.
Almost 3K. Recovery walk.
Almost 3K. Recovery walk. Recovery walk.
Parang kay Dracula.
Kay Pangil.
5 lang ano.
3K.
3K. 1.
4K. Puto.
Puto walk.
Puto walk.
Puto walk. Ay, balik na.
Oh, pabalik na tayo.
Balik na kami.
Tara, takbuhin na natin. Okay, uphill. $6K. Malapit na tayo. Tubig. Dito na tayo. Finish. Finish.
And Alitap-Tap Art Cafe. So doon nyo po makikita, and don't forget to tag us in Facebook and Instagram to your stories para po ma-mention natin.
Claim mo na, claim it. Claim it. Okay, tara, breakfast tayo.
Na doble.
Dito.
Congrats mga taga-saan po kayo. Smart one.
Ano sila?
Alitap-Tap Cafe Run. See you next time.